Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Halloween dress hack on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for this, so you need to go to this dress and put it on. Then you're going to color everything orange except for the last one. You're going to color it black. Then you're going to go to this dress here in the middle, select it, and color everything black as well. And as you can see, you now have this really cute Halloween dress on Dress to Impress. It is super cute. You can also pair it with like these accessories that I just put on before I put on the dress, obviously. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.